Today, I will show you how to change brake oil yourself within 5 minutes and never needing to bleed brake system. I will tell you why you should change it, how to change it and when to change it, and how to maintain it like this forever and never needing to bleed brakes. Before we can start, there's something you should keep in mind. If your brake fluid is old with brownish color, then you should use this method to change your brake fluid. But if your brake fluid is so old that it's grayish greenish in color and totally murky, then I suggest to do a full brake bleed. And once it's clean, then you can use this method to maintain it forever. Now, as you know this, let's get started. So why should you change your brake fluid in first place? Brake fluid is hygroscopic. As time passes, it absorbs moisture from air and degrades over time. If you don't change it, then it will eventually destroy your entire braking system. And if it's ABS braking system, then it will cost thousands of dollars or lakhs of rupees depending on where you live. Brake bleeding is very risky, as you can accidentally suck air inside the system. And even if little bit of air gets inside, it can become a big shit show. So many people don't even bother bleeding brakes as it's risky. But it's important to change brake fluid, and with this method, it's zero risk and you can do it yourself easily. So now let's get practical. First, you will need a piece of cloth like this, some brake fluid. Pick whatever company you like, just make sure it's a well-known company and make lots of good car products. Something to remove oil from master brake cylinder. I have proper suction tool, but I will be using syringe bought from nearby medical store because I know lots of people don't have suction tool. And a removal marker. Make sure to use removal one, not permanent, bought it from local general store. Brake oil destroys paint, so cover the surrounding area of master cylinder with piece of cloth. And also make sure to have something to pour oil fluid in. So before we can even start, what we will do first is to take this marker and see where the oil is right now. As you can see, it's over here. It's in level just like that. You can see straight level. It might look a little weird on camera, but this is basically straight line. So what we will do is to make a mark over here. So this mark is important and I will tell you why. Level of brake fluid tells you how well your brake pads are. If your brake fluid is touching the top mark, then it means your brake pads are in perfect condition. But as brake pads wear down, oil will drop down too. Once brakes are almost worn and needs replacing, oil will go down very low and brake indicator will light up telling you to check brakes. Once new pads are installed, oil will go to the top mark all by themselves. If you add additional oil while oil levels is low, brake indicator will not be able to warn you that you need to check brake pads when pads are worn. Now take out all fluid and empty the master cylinder. As you can see, this used 1-year-old fluid is still good to go and in very good condition. But if I simply leave it for years, then it will become really bad and I have to flush the entire system. Just changing master cylinder fluid on time will make sure new fluid is going to system, and this way you never have to do brake bleeding. Frames roll like that. Now let's add fresh fluid to our mark. Make sure that the bottle head is tight. If it's not tight, air will keep going inside and your brake oil will degrade inside the bottle. You can do this once every 6 months to 1 year. or when you think brake fluid is very brown. If your fluid is very old and brownish in color, then what you can do is repeat this process few times until it becomes clean. You add new fluid, then drive the car for a few kilometers. This way, new fluid mixes with old fluid, then repeat same process again until it's clean like new. If your brake fluid is green and murky, I suggest doing a full brake bleed. Once it's done, then you can take care of your car and change fluid on time, and your brake system will stay healthy forever. This is a 12-year-old car, and all I ever did was change its fluid every year. And I never had any issue with braking system because I took care of it. Brake bleeding is risky, but not changing oil is also wrong. And with this method, you will never need to bleed brakes. It's simple, easy, and anyone can do it. If you still have any questions, ask in comments below and I will try to answer every single one. Please like this video if this was helpful and subscribe. I will keep making more videos like this in future. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and I will see you guys again.